Do you remember a while back me mentioning that sometimes we just need to move with the ebbs and flows of life, and life will bring us what we need? Well, despite the challenges that we've had recently, and then this summer being so intensely hot that our plants didn't grow, and deciding that we're going to pull them all out, we have some really big news. You've probably seen that we're one of the flower farmers featured in the new Florette documentary, The Beautiful Pursuit, and we are so honoured and so excited. Well, that's not all. There's something else huge happening, and we'll get to that in a minute, but first we need to do a huge cleanup on the farm. Do you remember me showing you a while back that I used these Venetian blinds as plant labels? Well, we pulled this one off one of the windows in our house, and I'm going to cut it up so I've got plenty of plant labels ready to go for next season. You can see over the summer we've just collected so much junk on our veranda, and it was really important that we cleaned it up. I will tell you more later in the video, but essentially we were about to get a very important knock on the door, and we wanted everything to look perfect. I've always wanted a fake fireplace, and I finally found one. It was $50 on Marketplace, but it was very rickety, so I'm just stabilising it, and then I'll put it on the veranda for now. It'll go in the house later. Everything is so dirty and dusty, so we're just trying to clean it up as best we can. But let me tell you why we're doing this. I came across a ad on social media for a competition for John Deere to win a tractor and a zero-turn motor. So of course I've entered, and many of you have probably seen my entry. Dear John Deere. So let's get back into the cleaning, and I'll fill you in a little bit more later. do you think I should wear?
Something nice.
I could wear this, like, and be sort of farmy,
Okay.
but I'm always wearing this. Or these jeans. And what about that top?
That's another work shirt.
No, this is a good shirt. This is like a nice linen shirt.
Oh, okay.
What do you think? It's a little bit more dressy.
Yeah, it's kind of like a flower color.
I've got to look good on the camera. Preparing for this big day, the house looks beautiful. I've done fresh flowers. The veranda's looking very, very cute. We have had signs left, right and centre that this is going to be an amazing time. We may have also been a little bit crazy because a couple of days out we decided to move some massive palm trees, but we are just so happy and so excited, and it is time for the big day. So what I was told was, we were told prior that somebody from John Deere is coming to our door to announce the winner. And so we were just expecting to open the door, and we knew there would be a camera there filming us. But what actually happened is next level, and you can go and watch that on the John Deere Australia, New Zealand YouTube and their Instagram of the reveal video, but it just blew my mind. I actually cried. So we did actually win this competition.
We've actually chosen you guys to be our content creators for Australia.
Oh, wow!
You are our winners.
Yay! We won an amazing Series 4 compact utility tractor, a Z-Track zero-turn mower and a poly cart to go with the mower. But I did not know they were turning up that day. So we've done all this work all week, prepared everything, thinking that it was going to be like a little short announcement to go up on Instagram or something. I don't think we quite realise how big this actually is. I know winning these items is massive. It's just been so much. It really hadn't hit me, especially with all the stuff at the same time with the Florette series. So I opened the door and it's Vaughn from New Zealand. John Deere had flown Vaughn over from New Zealand to announce me as the winner, and I knew who he was. So I answered the door and I'm just absolutely kind of stunned, and I had to kind of think on my feet because what I had been told to prepare was very different to what actually happened, because they wanted to surprise me. And I turn around and look, and there's a massive truck coming down the driveway with a tractor on it and a ute with a big trailer with the mower on it, and I cried. I was just absolutely stunned. The team then spent a few hours going over everything with us, taking the photos, getting the videos for the announcement ready. I had a safety briefing, I had a lesson. We just got everything done during that day and it was so exciting. Thank you.
No worries.
Thanks so much. We'll have this equipment for the next 6 months while we create some content for John Deere, and we are so excited and we feel so honoured. Thank you so much, John Deere.